So this is about a 45,000 square feet of space, laser power and infra, a commercial property, having about 15,000 square feet of terrace and about 30,000 square feet of office space, which had to be designed in a record speed of time. At the same time, the brief was very simple. We don't want the office to look like an IT office. Realizing the fact that we are looking at a large area and we wanted to make it into 3 different phases. The phase 1 was more for the workstation and the entire team of the office who would want to work here. The phase 2 was the director's zone, which was about 5,000 square feet of space where there were 3 directors and their own personal lounges and their own personal secretary areas and their meeting rooms, a large boardroom, and the terrace area, which was almost about 15,000 square feet of space, which would house not only the directors' personal spaces, because they wanted all the amenities of their own health zone plus the entertainment zone. At the same time, it also had to house the cafeteria for the about 250 to 300 people working in this particular office. It was a nice brief that we received, and we realized that the office had to be designed in colors which are going to be subtle, at the same time having a flair of some kind of freshness. At the same time, we realized that we can't overdo a lot of forms, because at the end of the day, we wanted the office to have a space feeling free and more like, I would always like to put up my projects as like the zones have to look absolutely clutter free. The lobby was completely designed with a very modern element of textures and screens, which was looking very, which of course has to have a very welcoming effect. Making sure that the temple or the mandir area of this particular office is housed right in the reception. The reception was also housing about 3 or 4 different meeting zones, and it had to look with an appeal of a little touch of luxury, which is what the client always insisted and wanted. The best part about the workstation area was the way we had angular workstations, and the color of the partitions and the entire feel of that space with the lighting was befitting to the kind of style that we had created. Largely we played with a texture of grey, a little of green, a bit of orange, and blended it with copper. Copper, the reason because this company is into manufacturing of cables, and we realized that having copper as the core was very important. So overall the project was blended with these 4 colors. At the same time, we had a lot of modern forms, we had a lot of interesting areas, zones, pockets where the office looks, you would like to come back to this zone each and every day, and you would want to come back to your own space to work. The director's zone was specially created and crafted, which had undoubtedly the modern and contemporary ideas and details, but at the same time each zone or each cabin had to look very, very boutique. It should be matching the lifestyle of the user, and that's exactly what we did, and we were absolutely appreciated for this particular aspect. The lounge was of course again created for the family, where they would get together or they would have their own personal meetings, and it created a perfect ambience to have their small own personal meetings. Most interesting part for me in this project has been the terrace zone. I love doing areas which are natural, and we had 2-layer terrace, and the way we created the form for the upper deck is for you guys to see, and it was a very interesting way of creating the forms in terms of the natural element of the leaf, at the same time the way the flooring design was done, and it also had an overview towards the cricketing zone, or you can say the play zone of this entire office space. The lounge in this zone was more to entertain, because the clients realized that they would use this large area of 15,000 square feet not only for their own personal use, but also for entertaining their families and their friends. Once you have it, you have to flaunt it. That is what I believe. An interesting project, having a lot of challenges in terms of technicality, in terms of its the space design, in terms of the forms, in terms of its proportions. We enjoy doing this, and this is for you to love it too. Thank you so much.